Hello and welcome to our new tutorial video for Smartenance, Festo's digital maintenance manager. In the following video, we will introduce you to the new features of the current July update. A link to a detailed introduction video in which all major functions of Smartenance are introduced can be found in the video description. The latest update to Smartenance enables you to add files to your machines as attachments. This allows the plant manager to digitally access all relevant documents of a machine in the Smartenance app. To add an attachment to a machine, first click on the tab My Area and then on a machine. Then select the new menu called Attachments. Here you can see an overview with all attachments of your machine, as well as information about the file size and the file type. To add a file to your machine, select Add Attachment. Here you can simply add videos, PDF files and pictures to your machine. To open the attached file in the Smartenance app, select the machine in the app. All attachments of your machine are listed below the machine description. Now you can click on an attachment to open the file on your mobile device and view the information it contains. This means that you no longer need to have printed documents on your machines, which saves you time and money. This brings us to the end of our short tutorial video of Smartenance. We will keep you informed about new updates via the Festo YouTube channel. More information about Smartenance, as well as a link for a free trial, can be found below in the video description.